This is what it looks like to be a 22-year-old with no umbrella. Find out what happens. We wake up in the morning, made the bed. After that, we run down, brew some coffee, get the second prayer in, head over to Barnes & Noble to act mysterious, and we're off to the festival. There wasn't any weather check, so we basically stayed under tents for hours. And that will get better. It didn't get better, guys. And this was the result. Anyway, we still got food, got the third prayer in, quick dessert, and we're off to pray the fourth prayer at the masjid. Beautiful place, guys. After that, we need some caffeine, and it's for nothing. I'm not pulling all-nighters. Got home, had dinner, it was a leftover. Got the final prayer in. That was my day. Good night.